Let's go. Another day in paradise. Michigan winters.
Welcome back to Dirtworks TV. We appreciate all you guys always checking out our videos, and we also, if you wouldn't mind, smash that like button. If these videos help you out, you learn anything, benefit from it, so we can grow our channel. If you wouldn't mind, hit the super thanks, donate $1, whatever you can. We appreciate it always. Check out our merch store, and yeah, let's get to the video. So this one today, we're just doing a small boulder retaining wall on the other side of this hill that we're starting to work at. It's right in front of the house there. You can see we're in the Arctic tundra out here in Michigan. We're getting all the snow pushed off, and then we're gonna put this base in, get that all compacted, and then we will start setting our boulders and get to her. So yeah, let you guys watch some of the time lapse, and I'll check back in with you soon. So yeah, you can see, best thing, like for all these retaining walls, most important thing you can do is install a proper base. This one, I mean, these boulders, it's literally only 2 row high, and it's probably only, I don't know, maybe 3 feet. And this one, yeah, we just put in 5-6 inches of crushed concrete, and then we hit it with the compactor. I mean, something this small, like you really necessarily don't need to install a base. But we just like to be safe and keep the customer happy. So, yeah, like I said, when you're building a retaining wall, you always want to focus on the base. That's probably one of the most important things. And, yeah, when we build these, we like to build them from the front. And you can see once we get halfway through here, we left a gap in the middle, and that's where we'll be installing some sandstone steps up the hill also. But, yeah, let's rock out with our socks out.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Alright guys, we appreciate you watching this quick time lapse of a retaining wall. If you got any questions, don't forget to hit us in the comments below. Out here rocking the Pit Vipers. Let's go. Got our sponsor Prime. Just kidding. But in all honesty, these energy drinks, like, shout out Logan Paul, like, this stuff's actually pretty good. I mean, it's a lot better than most for sure. Doesn't taste all sugary and nasty. But yeah, if you guys are learning stuff from our videos or you just like watching them, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, whatever you can do to help us out. We appreciate it more than anything. And yeah, like I said, this was just a quick time lapse of a small retaining wall we did. We'll have a bunch of other new content coming out. The last video we just did was solo land clearing. Don't forget to check it out. It's in our playlist or in our recent uploads. And yeah, appreciate it as always. Keep on digging.